Since the trailer of Sher Shah was released, netizens have been going gaga over the pair of Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara Advani. Right now the actors are leaving no stones unturned for the promotion of their movie. Along with the movie, their social media PDA, repeated outings and dinners hint something else. The fans believe that there is more to look forward to. Well, today we will shed light on the truth of Siddharth and Kiara's relationship. Before we start, hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Siddharth and Kiara's link-up rumors have been going on for 2 years now. But many reports say that they started dating during the shoot of Sher Shah. Although there is no official announcement, the news is believed to be true. Since the beginning of their movie shooting, they began to get close. Not only on the sets, but two of them have also been seen in and out of the city multiple times. Last year, two of them flew off to Africa and celebrated the new year together. Although they never posted a picture together, their fans could easily connect the dots. When they returned from their vacation, the duo was snapped together at the airport. Then again, Siddharth Malhotra was spotted at the midnight birthday celebration of Kiara. They were snapped together again at Armaan Jain's wedding ceremony. Reports even suggest that when not together, they are connected with each other over the phone. Kiara has even met Siddhartha's parents. Everyone close to the actors have said that they got to observe how two of them gradually came closer. Up until now, Kiara Advani has been very private about her love life. Whenever asked, she has always said that she would announce the love of her life's name only after marriage. Coming to Siddharth, he has been linked with many of his co-stars. He was linked with Alia Bhatt when their movie Kapoor and Sons was released. Both actors accepted the relationship publicly. The relationship was brief, and according to both of them, the breakup was civil. When Siddharth came to Coffee with Karan, he got linked with Jacqueline Fernandez and Kiara Advani. He said that he had fun while working with Jacqueline in Gentleman, but they have never dated. About Kiara also, he said that they were not dating and he was single. However, in recent interviews both Kiara and Siddharth have spilled some beans on their dating life. Kiara was asked when was the last time she had a date. She answered, it was sometime this year. And Kiara has spent most of this year with Siddharth. Now, you can do the math. Also, the time she is indicating is around the time when she and Siddharth went to vacay together. But when she was asked whether it was with Siddharth, she said he is one of her closest friends. Friends or more than friends, only time will tell. But we definitely like the chemistry between the two. Do you like Siddharth and Kiara as a couple? Let us know in the comment section. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like and share.